These days you see videos about making money with AI popping up everywhere. The claims range from a couple of $100 to thousands of dollars per day. But is that actually possible? Let's find out together. In the coming weeks, I will test the following 3 methods and show you my results, plus a step-by-step guide if it actually works so that you can replicate it. So let's have a realistic look at what is actually possible when it comes to making money with AI. First, KDP. Kindle Direct Publishing is a book publishing service of Amazon. I have seen claims that you just need to tell ChatGPT to make you an outline of a children's storybook, tell Midjourney to draw the pictures, and you can easily make thousands of dollars. Or you can make a children's drawing book or just a trivia book with ChatGPT. There are multiple different options. But I haven't seen anyone yet who has shown actual results. They just claim that it works. So let's have a look at it. Second, Etsy. On Etsy, you can sell products that you've created yourself, including digital files. So the claim is that you can sell your AI-created art on Etsy and also make thousands of dollars. Well, we'll see how realistic that is. Third, stock photos. With AI becoming more and more popular, many stock photo sites allow AI art to be uploaded. So on sites like Adobe, Shutterstock or Pond5, you can sell your own pictures as stock photos. I haven't found a video that claims you can make thousands from this, but hundreds. So let's test how good that actually works. One very important thing for me is that all these methods are mostly passive, so that I have time for my coaching and other things that I'm working on. Of course, you have to do quite some setup work, but then it mainly runs in the background. Do you have heard about any other methods that you want me to test? Let me know in the comments down below. Of course, my very first thought is that these markets are going to be completely oversaturated really fast. With so many people using AI and gurus telling you to do this popping up basically everywhere, is it still possible to get a piece of the pie for yourself? Or maybe my intuition is just wrong and you can always find a space for yourself, even in a saturated market. Well, let's find out and let's have a look at my approach. Of course, I won't just create something out of the blue and upload it like most gurus tell you to do. The very first thing I'm going to do is a ton of research. Starting with research about how these services actually work and what to watch out for. This will include me watching dozens of YouTube videos and reading articles about how these sites actually work, explanations, examples and so forth to get a full picture. Then research about how to properly niche down and utilize all SEO factors including keywords, titles, descriptions, front pictures and other things. And lastly, of course, the on-site keyword research to optimize all the products I'm going to create. After I've found the keywords and products I'm trying to rank for, I will look at my competitors' products, specifically at the reviews. What is particularly good about the products? What are customers often unhappy with? These are things I definitely want to take into account when creating my own products. And after all of this is done, I finally get into creation using mainly Midjourney and ChatGPT. Of course, ChatGPT can help with the research and with different ideas as well. Between KDP, Etsy and stock photos, which one are you most interested in? Which one would you like to see more in depth first? Let me know in the comments, and in case I've already uploaded it, you'll find the next video right over here.